Take a look at this absolutely beautiful 2008 Ford Mustang Bullitt Edition. This car is absolutely gorgeous. And the best part, it's got 10,600 original miles on the car. Car's been very well taken care of. This car came to us out of Arizona, so it has not seen a Minnesota winter or anything like that. And according to the previous owner, I don't know that it's seen much rain either, the way he made it sound. Never drove it in inclement weather and things like that. The car is basically stock. The only upgrade that I've seen is the car does have Borla exhaust, and I'll fire that up. You'll be able to hear that here in a little bit. Gives it a nice rumble, nothing obnoxious, just a little something to let you know the car means business. So you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Get you a look down the side here. I'll point out before I forget, you can see the car does have the wheel lock on it. And I believe this is the one from Ford when it was new, I believe. We do have the wheel or the lock wrench for that. That's pictured in the gallery of photos on the website, so you can check those out as well. Let's take a look inside. And this car looks like a 10,000 mile car should. Very, very clean. Certainly no rust issues or anything like that. One thing I want to point out, these Mustangs, this vintage Mustang is usually notorious for these door panels right here. Sometimes they get loose and saggy, and I've even seen them flop and fall right down. As you can see, this one's nice and tight. Same for the other side there. The seats literally look like they haven't been sat in. There's no wear. A lot of times you got to watch right here. They like to wear out here and down here, but again, just nice and supple. And it has all the Bullitt trim, the engine turn dash, Bullitt logo on the steering wheel, the correct original factory Bullitt shift knob. It's got the Shaker 500 radio in it, and naturally the dash is like brand new as well, no cracks or anything like that. Headliner's in great shape. It's a non-smoker, no foul odors or anything like that inside the car. So I'm gonna push pause here. We'll get the hood opened up and fire it up for you. All right, hood is open. Make sure it's in neutral here. All right, let's take a peek under the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And again, it looks like this car is brand spanking new under the hood. Of course, it's powered by its 4.6 liter V8. It's car number 3202. It appears to be all stock under the hood as well. Now we'll go around back and I'll let you listen to that exhaust. Like I said, just a nice note, nothing obnoxious. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to put the hood down. The only thing I could see on this car, which is to be expected after being driven, a couple of little touch-up, little chips, like one here, there's one or a couple there. But if you look at the bumper, you can see it's not all road rashed up or anything like that. Someone is going to get a very, very nice and clean Bullitt. Check everything out, the description and pictures at the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered and financing is available as well.